Oh my gosh. So, obviously, like every video that I say, it's been a long time since I've made a video, but I have an excuse because I've moved. And I'm officially in a house that I'm gonna be at for a while. I've moved 4 times in the past 8 months, and today is the day where I'm not gonna be bouncing. Today's not really a, it's been a while, hold on. Not today, frick, it's been too long. Retake. I'm finally in a house where I have just two people. Myself, I'm legally here, it's great. I have a mirror, look at this. Whoa, what's up? I could do a really cool picture like this. 3, 2, 1, cheese. Bad news about the STI, that's gonna be in a later video. But good news is that we got some stuff for the Beamer. The Beamer's in the garage right now, and we're gonna be doing some taillights. So without further ado, let me go get them real quick. So we've got, why am I out of focus here? Focus, baby. Focus, baby. eBay taillights. You can see the reflection of you. What's that? We got the smoked bottom and the regular top. These are gonna be going in the BMW because, as you can see in this clip right here, they are broken. But now they're not. This is gonna be a review on $100 eBay taillights. Obviously, I'm probably gonna like these unless they just don't work at all, because they're better than normal. I could go get stock taillights for close to $200, and I found these guys for $90 on eBay. I'll be putting the link in the description if you guys are interested in this. Obviously on my Instagram, which I'm gonna post right there, on what they look like. I'll put more nice pictures on. So what does it come with? All right, box. We've got all of this stuff. So we've got the tail light here. I'm not gonna take off the foil yet, but as you can see, we've got the smoke over here and then the regular tail light. It actually comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 bulbs, and it comes with this little gasket here. We'll see how that holds up. I'm guessing that the gasket that I already have is bad, but that's pretty nice actually. And then it also comes with these little marker lights. I don't know if these are the marker lights. I don't know. I'd have to go look, but it comes with these marker lights too. So that's awesome. Now on to the car. So, oof. As you can see, we're in the nice new fancy garage here, and there we go. Obviously, broken taillight right here. I'll be pushing the car up a little bit more, and we'll be able to see more of the broken taillights. I'm gonna walk you through basically how to install these, what the after product would look like after that. So let's go ahead, let's push the car up to get some little bit of room here, and then we'll go over like what they look like and all that other sort of stuff. Ooh. So you can see right here that you've got 2 plastic pieces right there. So you got to twist that little guy to unlock it. This one, I don't know if there's supposed to be a second one or if it's just broken off, but it's not there. So pull those guys out as this first step. Now I got them out. This one is busted, but I already knew that. Pretty simple stuff. Pulled out really easy. You got to be really careful with it because you're gonna think it's stuck, but it's just actually this end bolt right here, or this end bulb You gotta wiggle it out. Finesse it, if you will. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. So that's a 6th one. And then you got a clip right there. So pull those guys out. There we go. All right, first one's out. All right, so I figured out the issue. These bolts are supposed to stay in here, and then there's supposed to be bolts that go on top of this. This had one bolt connected to it the entire time. So my taillight could have fallen out and whatever. That's why I was so confused as to like why this is going on. But I just need to go to the hardware store after I install most of these. I'll install like half on this one, half on the other one, and then go to the hardware store and then install the rest. So it took long enough, but I figured it out finally. Yeesh. I chose the worst side first, which I'm glad for, but I learned a lot of things about this car. I'm worried it was in an accident that I'm unaware of, because when I look at this rear quarter panel, it's all weird. This side sits high up, and it's not supposed to. So yeah, you can see some light that's coming through. That's not good. There it is. So then if I look over here, you can see that like it's way too warped right here, so I'm gonna have to pound that in. This little clip on the bottom was all warped, so that was a big problem. So yeah, this side is pretty messed up. It's probably gonna need some body work. You can tell that something's not right because like there's cracks and stuff. So you can see like this crack here caused a huge problem with this rear quarter panel. So this side here is gonna need to get some custom work done from like a body shop or something, but this taillight's in, it's not perfect. If you look at it straight on, you can see it sticks out more compared to this that doesn't stick out at all. So here's how they look so far. Still looks a million times better. So yeah, that's gonna kill me just to see how wonky this is sitting. I should be better at recording, but it's just, I've been at this for so long. You can even tell like this side is a little bit more messed up than this side. Let's bump it up a little bit. But it looks good. It looks a lot better. So this side's gonna take a lot less time than this side did, but at least we got the worst done first. So on to the next one. All right, so they're both in now. They're looking really good, but the main thing is that if they work. And let's see how they look. So I wonder what that inner light is for, because like it's not showing up. That's weird. Any of you Beamer guys have any idea what this bulb does? That'd be great, because it's not going on both. And I still have like a brake light in the car, which this is, ooh, let me show you something. So that light used to be on, but I don't know, so now it's off. But the thing is that I could be way wrong. I could be way wrong. But like I have a blinker out on the front left, and front right is good. So maybe that's why. Also, I did a coolant flush, and if you Beamer guys have any idea, the coolant light is still on. Like I have coolant and I have 0 leaks. So just a tad strange, but both the lights are on. I kind of want to see what they look like in the sun. But there's something else that I I gotta show you guys. It's not good. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this, but I gotta show you. You know what? I think I know what the brake light is. This one is here, on and working. But this one is missing. That might be the problem. Look at this. Right here is like bent up compared to this side, which is like flush. So might have to take that to the body shop. Time for the best part. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come off there, boy. Woo! Fresh. Icy, baby. Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh. So obviously I've been pretty bad at recording some of this because like there was a big problem. As you can see, like the quarter panel is a little bit off. But I kind of want to show you guys around the house. So might as well. I mean, we just moved in, so you guys deserve the tour. As you can see, this is the refrigerator. Pretty neat, I know. Yeah, you'd think doing a brake lights that you wouldn't get your hands dirty, but you never know. So I gotta go wash my hands now. Ugh. Also, the lighting in this house is pretty good. You guys are getting too many low shots. I gotta. Hi, Stella. Okay, I get it. I love you. I gotta bring it up a little bit here. So here's our fancy living room. And Stella, the crazy pup. And then we'll walk you upstairs here. So it's pretty cool to say that I have. Oh, get the things started. It's pretty cool to say that you have your own stairs in your house, because like I've either lived in like just a one-story or an apartment in the past few years, so that's pretty cool. While I go wash my hands, I'll go show you to my room. Ooh, here's a fancy new room. I get some nice lighting in here. And then the fancy bathroom. Wow, pretty cool. Check out the sink. What the heck, bro? Ugh. Wow, that off. There we go. Also, just being like a broke person, I turned on all the lights just to show you guys videos, but definitely one of those people that turns off all the lights in the house to save energy and to save money. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, oh wait, the other thing, the last piece. This place is awesome because one, the sound deadening, whoa, in here is so good. I'm planning on making the basement a little bit more like studio type vibes, so like for YouTube videos and stuff. Check it out. It's nothing, it's just a regular basement, but I'm planning on having better lights in here and just more better quality stuff, just because like the audio in here is so good, and we don't really have much plans for this. So that's the cool thing with the basement. Whoa. Oh, one thing. I don't know if you guys have seen these yet, but we've got some new wheels. We've got some, if it wants to focus, some new wheels. Come on, baby. Here are the specs. Should I show you? No way. So those are the specs. Should I have a little peep? Yeah. We have tires that are coming in. They'll be here Thursday for those. So that's gonna be awesome. We got all 4 going on the gorgeous baby. These are looking way too good. She's all in for the night. Hi, Stella. Hi, baby. Here's the deal. I've been really bad at posting. It's obvious. The thing is that with the move, and like I said earlier in the video, I've moved so many times within this recent couple months that it's been so hard for me to post consistent. 1, money's been an issue. 2, time's been an issue. And 3, just like motivation to do a lot of things have been an issue. There's been a lot of personal stuff going on. And I'm not really too one to hide like mental health or how I feel and stuff. So we've got 2 people living with us at this house. I've got these 2. That's the roommate, brother, daughter, something situation. Now she's all excited. She says, munch. So, yeah, we're hoping to post at least once a week, and content is going to be great. I'm hoping that next weekend we can get the wheels and tires on. So this is me trying to stop. So hopefully next week you guys can either see tie rods or tie rods and wheels and tires. We'll have to see. No promises on it yet. Money is tight because rent is the first paycheck. This is the first I'm paying rent. That's a little more expensive. So we can't like pound out videos super fast because I have to save up for things. But at least we'll install videos, I should say. But at least we can try to get some videos out. So that's going to be tight. Thank you guys so much. All of you guys. I was just talking to Mike. I hit the reset on the YouTube channel. A lot of you guys came in for Speed 6 stuff, and now I don't have it. And so now you guys are coming for STI and E30, or you just like my personality, which is tight too. So if that's what you guys are here for, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are the first time and you just wanted to see what eBay headlights look like on an E30, then you're welcome. Consider subscribing because there's more videos to come. If you guys are just like, dude, I'm just bored and I'm watching YouTube videos, also you should subscribe too because there's also just personalities everywhere. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry I'm talking too much, so peace out.